In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade over and under on Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. I want you to hover on the options section, and then you need to choose your trading platform. In this case, we're going to open the Deriv Trader and click the open button because this will forward you to the Deriv trading view. But before we continue our journey, let's quickly understand how the over and under really works. Basically, the over and under is a type of digit trading where you place whether the last digit of the next tick will be over a selected number or under a selected number. For example, if you choose under 5, you win if the last digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you choose over 5, you win if the last digit is 6, 7, 8, or 9. The result is based entirely on the last digit of the market ticks. Now, we need to choose a market. On the drop-down menu, for most beginners, most traders use a volatility of 10, 25, 70, 50. In my case, I'm choosing 100 since I have been using Deriv trading account for quite some time because these synthetic indices are available 24/7 and are very popular for digit trading. Now, if you go to the trade type of a drop down, you would see the over and under. You just have to select your trade, and the trade duration gives you the option to determine how long that trade will last. So for example, let's say I'm going to choose 1 tick for now or 10 ticks. It's up to you. And this tick amount is how much money you want to risk on the trade. For beginners, it's smart to start small. Remember, if you are using a real account, you might want to switch to the demo account first so you can practice and familiarize yourself with the over and under technique without risking real money. Once you configure the trading options, all you have to do now is click the buy button. And remember, consistency is more important than quick profits. And basically, that's how you trade over and under on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.